Have you ever wondered why some people achieve extraordinary success while others remain stuck in the same place for years? The truth is simple. Success is not about luck, it is not about talent, and it is definitely not about being born rich. Success comes from following a few powerful rules consistently. In this video, I am going to share 13 life-changing rules that highly successful people follow every single day. If you apply even a few of these rules, your life can completely change. So watch this video till the end because one of these rules might be exactly what you need right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a student, a young entrepreneur or someone who wants to build a better future, this video is for you. Most people dream about success, but very few people are willing to follow the habits and principles that actually create success. Today, I will share 13 powerful rules that can help you become more disciplined, more focused, and more successful in life. Let's begin with the rule number 1. Rule 1. Set clear goals. The first rule of success is to know exactly what you want. Without a goal, life is like traveling without a destination. You may be moving, but you have no idea where you are going. Successful people write down their goals clearly. They know what they want to achieve in 1 month, 1 year, and even 10 years. When your goals are clear, your mind automatically starts finding ways to achieve them. So take a notebook and write your goals today. Because a dream without a goal is just a wish. So, my rule number 2 is wake up early. The second rule is to wake up early. Many successful people start their day before others even get out of bed. Morning is the most peaceful and productive time of the day. When you wake up early, you get extra time to think, plan, study, and work on yourself. You feel more organized and less stressed. Even waking up just 1 hour earlier can change your life. Remember, if you win the morning, you win the day. Now, my rule number 3 is stay consistent. The third rule is consistency. Success does not come from doing something great once. It comes from doing small things every single day. Studying daily, exercising daily, learning daily, and improving daily. Even if progress feels slow, keep going. Small efforts repeated over time create massive results. Remember this line that consistency beats motivation every time. Now, the rule number 4 is that stop procrastinating. The fourth rule is to stop delaying important work. Most people know what they should do. The problem is that they keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. But believe me, tomorrow never comes. Successful people take action immediately. They understand that the perfect time doesn't exist. Start now, start small, but please start. Because action is the bridge between dreams and reality. Now, rule number 5 is that read every day. The 5th rule is to read daily. Books contain the knowledge and experiences of the world's greatest minds. When you read, you gain wisdom without making every mistake yourself. Even reading just 2 to 3 pages per day can transform your thinking. Warren Buffett once said that knowledge builds like compound interest. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Always remember that leaders are readers. Now, rule number 6, learn to say no. The 6th rule is to protect your time. Time is your most valuable asset. Successful people do not say yes to everything. They say no to distractions, toxic relationships, and activities that do not help them grow. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to your goals. So, learn to say no confidently and focus on what truly matters. Now, rule number 7, that is take responsibility. The seventh rule is to stop blaming others. Do not blame your parents, do not blame your teachers, do not blame your circumstances. Successful people take full responsibility for their lives. They ask themselves, what can I do to improve this situation? The moment you take responsibility, you gain control over your future, and that is when real growth begins. Now, rule number 8, that is improve your communication skills. The 8th rule is to become a better communicator. No matter how talented you are, if you cannot express your ideas clearly, people will never understand your way. Communication helps you in schools, interviews, businesses, and relationships. Practice speaking clearly and confidently. Listen carefully to others and keep learning new words every day. Good communication opens doors that talent alone cannot. Now, move to the next rule. My ninth rule is build self-discipline. The ninth rule is discipline. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you do not feel like doing it. This is one of the most important qualities of successful people. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you going forward. When you become disciplined, success becomes predictable. Now, come to the rule number 10. Take care of your health. The 10th rule is to protect your body and mind. Your health is the foundation of everything. Without good health, it becomes difficult to study, work, or enjoy life. Exercise regularly, eat healthy food, sleep properly, and drink enough water. A healthy body creates a powerful mind, and the powerful mind creates success. Now, rule number 11, that is, learn from failure. The 11th rule is to stop fearing failure. Failure is not opposite of success, it is a part of success. Every successful people has failed many times. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Each failure taught him something valuable. So when you fail, do not quit. Learn the lesson and try again. Now come to the rule number 12. Is that surround yourself with positive people. The 12th rule is to choose your environment carefully. The people around you influence your mindset, habits, and future. If you spend time with lazy and negative people, their mindset can affect you. But if you spend time with hardworking and ambitious people, you will naturally grow. Choose friends who inspire you to become better. Your environment shapes your destiny. Now, the rule number 13 is that never stop learning. The final rule is to keep learning throughout your life. The world is changing rapidly. New skills are becoming more valuable every day. The people who continue learning will always stay ahead. Learn from books, learn from videos, learn from mentors, and learn from your mistakes. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. And the moment you keep learning, your possibilities become unlimited. So these were the 13 powerful rules that can definitely transform your life. Remember, success does not happen overnight. It is the result of small actions repeated every single day. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to start. And once you start, never stop improving. Your future is created by what you do today. So choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and self-improvement content. And comment below which rule inspired you the most. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep working towards your dreams. See you in the next video.